Ever wondered why your car faces these issues? Let's delve into the causes and preventive measures for each one. 1. Engine overheat. The dreaded sight of rising temperature and steam can be prevented. Address these factors. 1. Radiator cap. Often overlooked, a faulty cap disrupts the cooling process. A failed seal can lead to overheating and coolant loss. Coolant level. Neglecting to top up coolant leads to reduced water content. Low water levels cause overheating. Thermostat valve. Rust or wear can make this valve fail, keeping it shut and causing overheating. Water leak. Aging components develop cracks, causing water coolant leakage and overheating. Empty reservoir. A dry reservoir deprives the system of water, contributing to overheating. Low engine oil. Insufficient oil leads to excess friction, heating the engine and potentially causing overheating. Clean radiator. Keep the radiator debris-free for optimal cooling efficiency. Avoid overloading. Excess weight strains the engine, leading to overheating during long hauls. Brakes or wheel hubs. Jammed components stress the engine, increasing pressure and risking overheating. Remember, understanding and addressing these issues ensures your car's smooth performance and longevity. Stay proactive to avoid potential disasters.